Assalamu alaikum. Hello, everybody from all over the world. This is AR from AR Tech Official. My dear viewers, today I'm going to uncover this big sound wireless speaker. Its name is KTS 129, KTS 129. My friends, in series of unboxing different new tech products, today I'm going to unbox this uh, TWS 129 wireless speaker. As you can watch, my friends, here we have one normal charging cable inside this box and nothing else is left. Here we have our speaker. My viewers, here you can see that we have switch on and off button, as well as it works for mood. You can change the mood to FM radio or to Bluetooth or to TF card. Here we have next and previous button. Here we have pause and play button. My friends, here we have aux cable. Here we have a as you can watch port for aux cable. Here is TF card port. Here is USB port, and here is charging port. And you can also put your mobile here and watch whatever you like. Okay, I'm going to switch on this Bigsound wireless speaker. My viewers, now this Bigsound wireless speaker is switched on, and by putting the TF card here inside the TF card port or memory card port, and I'm now إذ قال يوسف لأبيه يا أبت إني رأيت أحد عشر كوكبا والشمس والقمر رأيتهم لي ساجدين الشمس طلعت وإذا إذ قال يوسف لأبيه يا أبت إني رأيت أحد عشر كوكبا. My friends, as you watch, the sound of this wireless speaker is really big sound. My friends, by pressing this button, you can change its mode to TF card mode or Bluetooth mode or FM radio mode. My viewers, if you want to listen to FM channels, just come here, take this charging cable and put it here. After that, you can listen to whatever channel you like. My friends, this was the unboxing process of TTS 129. In case you like my videos, my friends, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and as well as click ring bell for further videos. Thank you so much for your time.